So how does it work? We have an Xnode network, so it's many servers all around the world. They have GPU and CPU, and then they help run all these servers and applications. So again, it's a huge saving, up to 90% cost saving than traditional cloud providers. So how does it work for building apps? So when you're building an app, traditionally you might have a code editor on your laptop or computer, desktop. Maybe you use VS Code, maybe you use Cursor. Just a quick question, who's heard of Cursor? Yep, and then who uses Cursor every day or every week? Yeah, and then who uses VS Code? Okay, a lot more VS Code people here, that's cool. So traditionally you would build an app, you'd have to do a lot of coding, you then build a website locally and then deploy it onto a cloud hosting service or OpenxAI. What we've built is a vibe coding tool, so you can just use normal language, human language, to describe the application you want to build. And the real magic is it builds the application for you, but then it also helps deploy it for you. So you get a website that's deployed straight away. Everyone here is entitled to get a free voucher for the deployment. So make sure you give us your base wallet details, and then we can distribute those vouchers so you can get a free deployment. Then you can deploy your app and then have like lots of people visiting your app, and then monetize as well. So you can actually make money through Web3. So again, the OpenxAI stack, how do we get the price down 90%? So we work with wholesale providers all around the world for servers, but we also don't use any proprietary closed source private code. So everything is completely open source. So the way it works is there's bare metal hardware with no software installed. Then we install a Linux version called NixOS, which we've forked into XnodeOS. Then we use one of the hundreds of thousands of open source packages on NixOS, which is called Python and Next.js and Postgres, Open Web UI, Ollama. So all of these packages are free and open source to use. So you don't have to pay any money to run a database to some database provider. You don't have to pay $20 a month or $200 a month for that database. You can just run that for free. You're only paying for the bare metal hardware that it's running on. Again, I'll show you some of the core features, but basically there's an open source stack, there's a studio that helps you deploy things, and then there's a marketplace where you can see all the different apps that have been deployed already.